What's up, Shift fam, and welcome back to Shift 100, the one spot on the internet where we break down the metal that moves you. Today we're diving deep into some seriously heavy metal. Ford just dropped the deets on the 2026 F-Series Super Duty, and fam, they've been listening. While it's not a ground-up revolution, the blue oval is making some seriously smart tweaks that a lot of you have been asking for. So let's get into it. Alright, let's get straight to the main event, the juicy bit you clicked for. The Tremor. For ages, if you wanted Ford's big boy off-roader, you had a choice. Go with the gas-guzzling 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, or jump straight to the top dog, earth-rotating 6.7-liter high-output power stroke with its bonkers 1,200 pound-feet of torque. It was like choosing between awesome and insane. But what about the sweet spot? The Goldilocks zone? Well, for 2026, Ford is finally plugging that gap. You can now spec your Tremor with the standard 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8. We're talking a massive 475 horsepower and a casual 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, standard is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. This is the perfect middle ground for the person who needs to tow heavy on Friday and hit the trails on Saturday without needing the absolute peak of the mountain engine. It's the smart money move, and now it's in the coolest truck. But hold up, the engine news isn't the only thing on the menu. Ford's also playing mix and match with the body styles. You know that configuration everyone's been screaming for? The Super Cab with the shorter 6.75-foot bed? It's finally here! This gives you that tighter 148-inch wheelbase for better maneuverability without sacrificing the Super Duty's raw capability. It's for the driver who needs the muscle but not the massive crew cab footprint. A huge win. Next up, let's talk packages, because who doesn't love a good bundle deal? For the Lariat crowd, they're rolling out a new premium package. This basically takes all the high-demand tech, like Copilot 360 Pro Trailer Assist, and that slick power-sliding rear glass, and wraps it up in one neat little bow. And for you dually drivers who felt left out of the Cool Kids Club, the SDX Appearance Package is now available for the F350 dual rear wheel models. Say goodbye to basic work truck vibes and hello to body color everything, a painted grille, and a seriously upgraded interior. Your dually can finally look as good as it pulls. And of course, you get some fresh paint to choose from. Argon Blue Metallic and Marsh Gray Metallic are the new hotness for us regular folk. On the tech side, and this is actually a big deal for safety, a tire pressure monitoring system is now standard all the way up the food chain to the F550 chassis cab. Finally, plus they're offering an optional Wi-Fi hotspot package to keep your job site or your campsite connected. So what's the big takeaway here? Ford isn't reinventing the wheel for 2026, but they're definitely refining it. They're listening to the people on the ground, the ones actually using these trucks day in and day out. They're adding the right engine to the right truck, giving us the body styles we've begged for and making the tech more accessible. These are quality of life updates that make a real difference. So that's the lowdown on the 2026 Super Duty lineup. What do you guys think? Is the standard Power Stroke the perfect engine for the Tremor, or are you still going big with the high output? And how about that Super Cab short bed combo? Is that the new dream spec? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. And hey, if you dig this kind of deep dive into the latest truck news, make sure you slam that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We've got a ton more content coming your way that you won't want to miss. You're watching Shift 100, where we keep you ahead of the curve. Catch you on the next one. Peace.